Okay, the concept, what we have is Sapphire International, and the whole concept idea is Zeniq. What we have in this is minting hubs that produce for us Zeniq tokens on a daily basis, and it also provides us with a lot more features and services, and this is what we're going to go through. So of course we have a disclaimer that all the forecasts and calculations is just that, forecasts, because we cannot see in the future. Also the minting of the coins can vary a little bit, so it's also forecasts, which means that don't take it so precisely because it's estimated numbers, and also the halving system is also estimated. So Zeniq Technologies is a FinTech enterprise working in a multi-trillion-dollar market of cryptocurrency with their own token called Zeniq. This token is minted, not mined. So we are minting these coins through our cloud hubs or physical tablet. The hub in there is also minting the coins for us on a daily basis. So the mission what the company have is to connect the traditional banking system with the cryptocurrency world in a simple and easy way for anyone to access this world of crypto. So the Zeniq platform is usable in many different aspects and different ways, and this is also what you will see through the presentation. Four of the most important things, though, what the company was thinking about was, first of all, to make it simple and easy, uncomplicated for anyone to access the cryptocurrency world. Also to keep maximum protection of your digital assets or digital currencies. And in the same time, avoid third-party access, which means you are the owner and the holder. So you are the one who are in control. You are not handing over this control to a third party. And to link then the cryptocurrency world with the traditional financial world, so this fusion comes simple and easy. So the whole concept is based on the Zeniq token, also connected to our decentralized exchange. And together with that, we also go into a $1 trillion market of real estate and tokenization of real estate and several other different different fields also where we are using the tokenization. So company is based in Dubai, and our respected partner, OCS International and Commodities, is a private investment bank that stands behind the whole concept as a joint venture partner. So we are in the field of FinTech, equal to Revolut, N26, ID Now, and many others in the field of FinTech. So our banking partner also provides us with asset management, commodity trading, arranging and advising, custody service, investment management services, bank instruments, and they are also debit card issuers, which means they are producing the cards and they issue this to our users, which means that in the concept we will also have the connection to a debit card where we can place our commissions or where we can place our traded cryptocurrencies that we have traded for fiat currency. So in a simple and easy way, we get access to all these banking services also. They are also providing our users with virtual IBAN accounts. They are working with Julius Baer, ENG, IBA, and several other very strong bank partners out there on the market. So of course, we are looking to target the whole world market and implement this technological development to the world market and add a value for everyone that is involved in traditional banking, crypto, but also in the tokenization of different projects around the world, in wind power, solar power, and renewable energy, and many other fields. So the people behind, they are highly educated. Most of them have master degrees. They are educated in cryptocurrency, in blockchain technology, in real estate trading, in asset management, value, FX trade, crypto trade. So they have a long and solid knowledge behind and education behind also. Many of the companies around the world that you for sure have seen the names of, like GLL, Westfield, Siemens, Shell, MetLife, Ford, Walmart, Pfizer, and so on. They are already using the technique from blockchain because it's so transparent and it's so safe. And also, as the CEO of Binance says, blockchain will be bigger than the internet. And I would say I agree with him, because the technique from blockchain makes so many things so much easier and so much more transparent. So what we are using through the Zeniq blockchain is a decentralized blockchain, which goes across the borders. So we are going over from Ethereum to Tron to Binance blockchain. In this way, we can also perform a high amount of transactions per second. We can make as up to 50,000 transactions per second, which is, compared to Bitcoin or compared to Visa, MasterCard, way much higher than what they can offer. It operates across the board over the different blockchains, and it also connects us to the first really real decentralized exchange of its kind. Why? Because we don't need to wrap the tokens when we are sending them into the exchange. The crown jewel in the whole concept is, of course, the Zeniq tablet. And the Zeniq tablet is also the portal for all your digital assets. It holds quite a substantial amount of memory for what the tablet needs to do. It gives you direct access to the Zeniq exchange. You don't need to make any whatsoever KYC, because you are the owner and the holder. You are also connecting it to the minting hub, which produce for you coins on a daily basis. And you are also connected to the master node that confirms all transactions on the blockchain. So it's a very powerful device. One of the most revolutionary things in this device is also that you have two cores inside. It's completely decentralized network. These two cores, you have the master key and the private key. So it's you and only you who have access to your wallets. And one of the cores inside the tablet is 100% disconnected from internet. And this is your cold wallet or your cold storage, your safety deposit vault, where you have a multi-currency wallet for different cryptocurrencies. Since it's disconnected completely from internet, there is no risk to get that wallet hacked either. When you want to use the asset values that you have, you can easily transport them from the cold wallet to the hot wallet, the one that is connected to internet. When you want to do that, you transform only the amount that you want to use to buy another cryptocurrency for, or to exchange to fiat currency. There you can also instantly put this on your debit card or to your virtual IBAN account and start using it instantly. The device is also built up so you can use it in many different ways. We also have the Zeniq app, which is also decentralized. So it's a mobile app and a mobile wallet. It gives you real-time fiat and crypto transactions, and you can easily use it as a POS terminal. It's private, it's secure. So it's your own wallet on the smartphone, and you can directly pair that with your Zeniq hub, which means that when your hub is minting coins for you, you have that reflection immediately on your app. Through the Zeniq exchange, you have for sure the best exchange rates, free transfers, connecting directly to your IBAN account. It's very low fees, and there is additional fee advantages by Zeniq users, which means coin holders, because all these coin holders are also the owners of the whole exchange. The company in itself doesn't own the exchange. They have given 100% of all fees that is generated will be given out to the coin holders that supports the project. And of course, all popular standard crypto trading pairs will also be there. And there is also a lot of other things that will be there compared to many other exchanges. So the coin Zeniq is listed today on Uniswap, and in the near future will also be listed on Binance, decentralized exchange Pancake, and after that we will also release the full-blown version of our own decentralized exchange. So if you compare different coins, look at Ethereum, look at BNB, and look at Zeniq. Compare these three towards each other. Then you will also see that it stands quite a solid ground behind Zeniq and Zeniq coin and the concept that also backs this concept out from the community, but also from the real corporate world. And that also brings a lot more sustainable value to this coin. So through the banking partner, we will also get the different IBAN accounts. We can use it for crypto payments. We can use it as an API for payment software solutions. We can also use it for the ATM machines. We can also use it as a payment service provider, equal to PayPal and BitPay. The coin, as we said, is listed on Uniswap, will be very soon listed on Pancake. It has a limited amount of coins that can be minted over the blockchain, and the total amount is 600 million coins that can be minted out. And through the halving system, its estimated minting time is 20 years. So for the next coming 20 years, the minting machines will work and mint for us the coins on a daily basis. The coin in itself has a huge potential to grow substantially in value because what's backing the whole concept up. It also produced for us a weekly profit through the Zeniq exchange, since all the fees that is generated in the exchange is divided among the coin holders. The halving system works year by year. So from February to February, every year, there is a halving system. But think about this, it's conducted on a daily basis. So for each and every day over the year, 365 days, there is some few Satoshis deduction from this, which means that in February this year, we started to mint the coin. It comes 100 coins out from every block. In February next year, it will come 50 coins out from every block. What we see today is that it comes out approximately 70 coins out of every block. So this is the halving system that is conducted on a daily basis. This halving is also connected to the sales or distribution of the minting hubs. So for every 1,000 hubs that goes out in batches, next 1,000 hubs that goes out will produce 4% less coins. So early adopters are those who gain the highest profit, of course. We are connected to a 24 trillion worldwide market of real estate tokenization, and this forecast is for 2027, where we can use, thanks to our constructor partner, we can use the Zeniq coin and purchase real estate and pay with the coin. The different tokenizations that we are looking at is for sure project finance. We create also huge savings for many companies in a multi-billion-dollar industry globally. Also, we create 100% transparency through the blockchain technology. We are looking on markets like real estate, renewable energy, solar panels, wind power, etc. Also on different other things like art, paintings, antiquities, patents, license, contracts for work, insurances, and assets of raw material and finance instruments. So it's an enormously big market where tokenization can be really, really revolutionary. Everything what the company promised to deliver, they have more than delivered. They have over-delivered and under-promised. And everything started 2018. The marketing for this concept started 2021. So first, they built the whole concept up. First, they connected all the parts and pieces inside this whole puzzle. And then they also created the banking partner, the real estate tokenization program, the constructor partner. So all this is already in place. The exchange is already going in full steam on beta test to be able to be launched end of this year, just in the beginning of next year. Debit cards will come in Q4 this year. The first tokenization projects will start September, October. We are now just in this moment connecting the interface from our banking partner into our system. So our users will be able to start use that fully by August. So it's a very, very strong and solid concept. It's a masterpiece of built on a long-term strategy, connected with real estate, tokenization, digital stocks, companies, value increase, daily production of coins, hubs, exchange, cross-border blockchains, participation from users, and of course, the two sensational things is that company is performing buyback from the open market, plus all the profits that is generated through the exchanges divided among the coin holders. So it's really a coin that is driven by reality, by things that already are in place, already backs the whole concept up. So not just supply and demand from the market or exchanges, also through our minting processes, through our card usage, through the usage of the app and the different tokenization programs, and many more things to come also. So if we look on the forecast from not tomorrow, but let's say 6-7 years ahead, and we have the minting machine going on a daily basis. Let's say that we have produced approximately 37, 38, 40,000 coins, and we have a market value between 1.24 to 2 euros. Then we can see also that estimated total value after 7 years is around 73, 75,000 euro. If we then look on the concept and compare Zeniq with other concepts like Binance coins as an example, we can also see that Binance coin have been on the market for a few years. They have rose in value from less than $1 to over some around $400 to $600 today. So I think that the potential for our Zeniq token to at least come to that point or even higher is very, very high. So the halving system, when we are delivering the hubs, is for every 1,000 hubs that goes out from company, there is also 4% deduction on the next coming 1,000. Products in itself is the housing hubs, which means that company facilitates for you the minting machine, and they allocate on a daily basis the coins to you. Or you use the Zeniq Hub physical tablet, where you have your machine in your hand. You can start as low as 100 euro and go from that to any amount you want, because you can combine these minting hubs as it suits you. The benefit plan in this is already built up. It is by far one of the absolute best compensation plans I've seen ever. It's a uni-level plan that pays in 15 levels on the depth. It is connected to the career bonus and also bonus pools based on performance, and it pays out 69%. This also explains quite well that company is not so eager to take in a lot of funds from the marketers to be able to finalize the vision and create a reality out of that, because this is already a reality. And they said, let's pay the marketers well, because they will help us to bring Zeniq on the world market. So it goes in 15 levels. From level 1 to 15, it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and then level 14, 2, and level 15, 2. Everyone that knows Marketing knows also that on those levels, 14 and 15, there's quite a lot of people in the system. So 2% on those two levels is very powerful. Everyone that starts with level 1. So everyone, even that comes in with a free package, can receive sales commission of 9% from their first level. To open level 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, you need to make a sales revenue and some kind of performance. So it opens up through the ranking system. So to open level 2, you need at least 100 euro personal purchase or sales in your structure. Then you open 2 levels. When you have 2 directs and you also have performed 1,500 euro sales volume, you also receive a starter bonus of 15 euro. To open 3 levels on the depth, you need 4 directs, 5,000 euro in total sales. You also receive now 75 euro as a starter bonus. Then you come to the really interesting part, which is the higher ranks like Ruby, Double Ruby, Sapphire, and so on. To come to Ruby, to open 4 levels on the depth, you need 7 directs, which means 7 people that paid in at least 100 euro. Total sales volume accumulated for 10,000 euro. Now you receive a 300 euro bonus plus 1 pool share point. This pool share point is generated from 10% of the total sales of the company and divided among those who are qualified. The actual value as of today, the value is dynamic, but value as of today is approximately 270 to 275 euro. This value can go up and it also can go down, depending on how many people who are sharing this 10%. It's paid out to you on a monthly basis for 6 months. So for every month, the next coming 6 months, I will receive this 275 euro. If I then go to Double Ruby, I need to open 5 levels on the depth, I need 12 directs. I need to create an accumulated sales volume of 20,000 euro. Now I receive 2 pool share points, which give me approximately 550 euro every month for the next coming 6 months, plus the bonus payment of 600 euro. If I go to Sapphire to open 6 levels, I need still 12 directs, 100,000 euro in accumulated sales volume, 10 pool share points, which is 2,750 euro every month for the next coming 6 months, plus 3,000 euro as a one-time bonus payment. As a double Sapphire, to unlock 7 levels, I need still 12 directs, 300,000 in accumulated sales volume. I will now receive 20 pool share points, which is approximately 5,500 for each and every month for the next coming 6 months, plus a 9,000 euro cash deposit. As a double Sapphire, to unlock 8 levels, I need 500,000 accumulated sales volume, 40 pool share points, plus 15,000 euro as a cash payment. To go to Diamond, open 9 levels, I need 13 directs and 1 million euro in accumulated sales volume, 80 pool share points and 40,000 euro as a one-time cash payment. So all the pool share points are divided among those who are qualified for it. You only need to make the qualification once. There is no weekly flush out, no monthly flush out, no caps. There is none whatsoever deduction of your sales volume. All sales volume that is ever created stays in the system until it's paid out. The only thing that it is in the unilevel structure, there is a 40% rule that says from your strongest sales team, you can calculate only 40%. But this calculation is dynamic, so it doesn't just look on the sales volume. It also looks on the other legs of your direct line. So compared to the other legs and compared to the sales volume, it looks. But it's a very, very good compensation plan. It pays very well. So my advice to all the people that I take into the system is as fast as possible to put in the first 12 directs and start to work with 4, 5, or 6 of them to generate sales volume, because then I have spread enough to be able to maximize the whole compensation plan. So that is more or less the whole presentation.